mix banana, honey, and the avocado pear, you are going to power like a horse. But before I tell you how to prepare it, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What are you going to benefit when you mix banana, avocado pear and honey? The most important benefit you are going to derive from this recipe is that it will boost up your sperm count and also make you to last longer. Besides, it will also revitalize your body system and give you more energy and more stamina as a man. So you are going to prepare this recipe when you gather banana, avocado pear and honey. Method of preparation: peel the banana as much as you can consume for that day, or if you want to do much for subsequent use or other days, you can do it as many as you can. So peel banana, put it in a blender, and also peel avocado pear. One seed of avocado pear is enough. That is one fruit of avocado pear, not the seed, the content, that is the one that is edible. Peel one avocado pear and also put it in a blender and add 1 teaspoonful of honey and blend all. If you blend all, the recipe will be very thick due to the avocado pear and the banana. It will be very thick, so take it. You can take it morning and night, or you can take it once a day, which is at night after your dinner. Once you do this, you are going to get many benefits from this recipe. But the most important is that it will boost up your semen, that is your sperm count, and also make you to last longer and power like a horse. So that is it for today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button to support this channel. Subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.